Hey, wait, my people, it don't happen again, it don't bust, everywhere don't scatter, it don't set, it don't red. No be small matter, my people. Make una carry una joko, take sit down, come listen to this one. Only my ear no fit hear this one. Finish, my people. Everywhere don't settle. It don't red, everywhere don't jaga jaga. No be small something. I know say most of una know this man, Mathias Ezeaku, age of 4. The man when release Ndi Uka, my people. The song now he called the trend everywhere, my people. You don't still come again with another matter, my people. This one so he loud. Only my ear no fit hear this one. Now I come talk say I come still drop this one for here so that una go hear this one again, my people. No be small matter. Oh. Hey, if una see Mathias, wait for the fertilize, my people. He may not come be say I may use my mouth and narrate wetin happen for inside this video finish. I go leave una more for listening to him. Je.
If the world depends on you today to save their pregnant mother, now you give them olive oil and the blood, you take them to Mbaka. Black man will proudly tell an American woman who is pregnant to come down to Zion so that you will deliver like a woman of Hebrew. That's how foolish. And that is why when the Boko Haram kidnap your youth leader, Reverend Lawa, he was more like a fish, sliced like a fish in Sabisa forest. After 2 months, the same year, after 2 months, the same Boko Haram kidnap American citizens. People who use their common sense, I gave you Bible, they use what they create with their wisdom, microscope, and scan and see where their brother is. They went there and grabbed their brother back to their land. The man is still living. Christ have died. The same thing is with the same thing for you. All of you following Nigeria in Igbo land, that is your portion. You will be ignorant of your health. You will be ignorant of your security conscious because you are believing that your power is protecting you somewhere. You will be ignorant of prosperity. You will be ignorant of everything. Once you are in Christ, means people who use Bible to defend Bible, do they have common sense? You are using Bible to defend when you ask them questions. They will try to use Book of John to defend Book of James. These people don't have sense. From where? From Anambra, Enugu, Onyi Iberibe. The word they just to make the world so big for you to control. They say no way Buka, we Rika, we Adomimi, Wagini Domimi. Kedu Wadomimi. Kedu Wadomimi Kale. The word is too deep. Black people, why they use Bible to plate you to believe that the word is so deep for you as a black person to understand. Yes, they manipulate you. That is why they are building aircraft. But the word is so deep for you to understand. A Canaan man cannot understand the things of spirit. Look at you doing spiritual things in the eastern part of Nigeria. You are being ruled by physical people, Muslim in the north. People who believe in reality. If you do anything for them to slaughter you, they will kill you. All the Jesus and his followers in Nigeria is under the leadership of a Muslim. And you are still, so you mean if it really exists to make something happen, that a white man will give it to you? Is that what you want to tell me? If there is a name called Jesus in which if you corner this phone will trip off, so a white man will give it to you, dash you free of charge. But they cannot dash you microscope. They came and taught us religion. Instead of teaching us on how we can produce aircraft, instead of programming our brain on how we can be able to produce cars, instead of programming us on how to produce electric bulb, they program religion. From childhood, when they give birth to you, they take you to baptism. Religion has started. The day they give birth to you, they will take you to baptism. Rapidity, religion, Christianity have started. Baptism. From baptism to block rosary. From block rosary to evening class. Even learning Bible. And catechism. I learned catechism. Catechism took me sleepless night. That I'm learning on how I will gini bu njọ bụ ihe okwukwe na-enweghị gịnị bụ mmehie, gịnị bụ okwukwe. Okwukwe bụ ihe na ntasị obi n'ihe na-enweghị onye na-enyere aka na amaghị ebe ya akwụdo ka m na-amụ na tenda. Look at they made us use gịnị bụ okwukwe na iti mkpa Benin of 40 years bụ onye ochi ngwaza gịnị bụ okwukwe ohi pastor na MP3. Look at MP3 being manufactured by Chinese who was killed into science and technology from tender age. You are learning okwukwe. Onye Anambra State na amụ gịnị bụ okwukwe. Okwukwe bụ onye mmụọ ji eme ọgụ nke na-anapụghị n'oru onye riri eri utobo. Gini be we. Give me here, me can in Campbell. Look at what I did to you. Is their kid studying here, me can I'm asking you. Their kids are they studying here, me can Look at your age. As a woman, you walk not in religion. God created you on this world to shout. God created you to shout like before he will hear you. Shout, ah, ah, la, 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 la. Let them not allow blacks to take over. They will turn Europe a mad continent. Blacks to take over the leadership of the UK. They will turn it to a peer beliefs. Because it's a crime for a black man to live in an environment because they have heaven. It's very difficult for a black man to live in a clean environment because go to Malaysia, wherever you say they have pollute there. They pollute anywhere you find, they will pollute that place. That is why it is very difficult for some white people to give them house. Go to Italy today. Very difficult for our people to get house in so many white men houses in Italy. I'm telling you the fact. Because religion Christian made them to behave like a dog. When a white man is calm, thinking, calculating on how to fix things in order, a black man is here shouting. That is why the white men are calm. Because they told them on how to make something happen, that they must be calm, think and reason. But here he shouts, hey. Now, Mbaka and Kit all over the world. Houston, Texas. You are not ashamed of yourself that you are from Anambra, you are living in Texas. Happily thanking Jesus that you are in Texas. That is why your mentality is dull. You work nothing before the world. That is why you are being all over the world. You look at yourself and look at India. Look at all the whole black. Look at the whole Ndi Uka. Look at us. Do we want anything to compare to any blind man today in India? Oh, we are looking for where they don't cook. Don't may we go. That is why they are jailing us everywhere. We are in prison in Dubai. They will soon jail you. I'm telling you the fact. If you like, if you make money, no, come down here, come find something where you go do. Especially all of you living in India. Be your own man and abuse. So all of you living in Asia country. If you make money, come down here and secure your life. Or they go catch you. If you don't get paper, if they catch you, they go jail you. I'm telling you the fact. If you have money to establish good business here, even if it is cement, come and offload 3 trailers of cement and be selling it in one junction. You will be making money, give birth in your land and train your children. They hide for police. They go catch you. Say you be on your men and not go prevent them to catch you. And they tell you, say you be your men and abuse, yes, but they go catch you, jail you. You and the men and go sleep in prison. Yes, because our ancestors said, because now you make an at the first time. It is our turn to receive the consequences. Unless we make a U-turn. I forget why and I hate kidnapping. No game was in Egypt. Kidnappers are waiting for everybody. Motor accident near one. No space. They were talking with the fake. They were walking at theater and one. We hear Pastor Azonyochi. Atolausa, zombie left and right, claiming to be lawyer, but they work nothing. A barrister in Igbo land claiming the Bible says you should not judge. That is how they are. A whole lawyer call himself a barrister, telling his fellow Ndi Uka that the Bible says you should not judge. Why you are a lawyer? That is why you are foolish. A medical doctor who went to school to study medicine will come to pray in the hospital. Did they taught you anything? God prayer in the hospital? Why can't you come and cry to the world that you don't have facilities to save life? Have you ever used prayer to cure any sickness after diagnosis? That is how you work nothing. The ability to make something as a nature you are, the ability to create something as a nature you are to control other nature is very deep for you. It's too deep, so big. Because what nothing? You deprive yourself the ability to reason. You deprive yourself what makes you a human. You deprive yourself today what makes you to be the one to control this world as a human. You deprive yourself out of it because Peter is greater than you. Book of John has done. Peter took someone's ear and plugged it back. That fictionally. Now that means, hey, if you just can plug the ear, who am I to do this? Jesus will do it. People who believe in physical practicality, they are ruling you for over 50-something years. You are not ashamed of yourself. A Muslim has the right today to close down all the churches in Nigeria.